Well, YouTube, welcome to another video. This is Action Day in Mondello. I'm in the old car, look. So I'm doing the parade lap in this car. Drift cars, all the other yokes. There's a nice Lambo. I think that's Ronan's. I just arrived down and Stephen told me to drive it, so cheers. It's going to dry up a bit in the afternoon. There's the sun coming out, look at that. Bringing back memories. This is my old 320. Put this thing on. The exhaust. It's quite a slow parade lap. Right, so fingers crossed for a dry afternoon. Trying to bring spectators down. They have 3 groups: race, rally, road cars and drift cars, monster trucks, mud plugging, auto testing, stands from different tuners and things like that. It's a nice looking M2. Joe the man in the track day car there as well. Fiesta race boys. It's not Joe, it's not Joe. Thought it looked dry there, but it doesn't look great. Some more rain. The drone out, let's have a look at the drone. Such a shame the weather. And warm here for probably the last month. Yeah! I'm gonna head out for a few slippy laps. The brakes are rubbing there. Thought the rain was going to stop, but my god. Can't beat a bit of drifting to lift the mood. Piss and rain. Fucking weather. Looks like a clear sky. See how much water there is on the track there. Go on, Ed. The sounded lovely. The sun is coming out. The sun is coming out.
Forgetting something?
Fucking helmet, Jesus.
Oh shit, yeah.
No, you know helmets, you have to jump out.
Oh fuck.
Sorry, man. Sorry,
Notice the presence of a second seat.
Oh yeah.
So you're a bit early.
You're in love with the Chancellor. Not single seater. Dried up, believe it or not. It looks like it's going to be a dry session at the end. I'm taking that out for a few laps now in a minute. That's a lovely art. The mud plugging. Looks like good crack. Look at the face, look at that concentration on Stephen's face there. Never seen him so serious, man. I've never seen you so serious.
One for handbrake, second one for reverse. Yeah. So if you order and then It's a bit wet. Try to get grip for it.
Woo! This is auto testing. So if you watch the videos, you'll know Paul Tierney Motorsport. He's the current Irish auto testing world champion in multiple classes. So I don't know why he's not here today, but them lads probably learned everything they know off Paul. Look at that. Paul does that. It's drying up and everyone seems happy anyway, so definitely looks like a successful day. Anyone watching this not from Ireland, that's called a 99. Ed, how are you doing? Oh, good. I'm out in the other sessions, yeah. I saw you giving it socks there. Good drifting. A beautiful dessert, Irish dessert, consists of a cone, some lovely ice cream, and a flake. It's called a 99 because it used to be 99p, but now it's about fucking 7.90. Oh, I forgot to say, you have to make sure you push the flake down into the center, otherwise you end up in trouble halfway through. So see the way I pushed it down the center there? Don't push it too far though, or it'll come out the other end, and that's not good. See that? She's right down there. No leakage. Perfection. Video, look at that! The drift boys like the gravel. There's the sun, look. I knew it. I told you the sun was coming out. It's a pity it's nearly over. Turned out to be a nice day after all. The sun came out. Next year, so the popularity of this video will probably bring in a few thousand extra bodies. I'm gonna see anything for that from Trackdays.ie. Think I get any fucking kickback for any of this shit? I'll keep going. Do you know what I mean? I won't let them, you know, whatever stuff. Trailer, load up the car, and back to normality.